Main image is always going to be a high resolution image where every square inch, of that square that they give you is utilized. I'll break down a few things that we're doing here on mine, right? You can see all of the bath bombs, right? Which this is actually going to be updated because we have new color combinations, so on and so forth, and better boxes, which I'll get into in a minute. So you want a hero image. Hero image displays high quality resolution of your main product. Then the rest of these, notice like there are pictures of the product, and here you can see like what the new product looks like versus the old product, right? But a majority of these are what we call infograph style images. These are the ones that lead to conversions. What is an infograph style image? An infograph style image is a image that is going to not only show the product or showcase the product, but also explain a benefit, a feature, how it solves a problem, how it eliminates a pain point, things that you cannot tell, right, about the product. So like here, fresh new look, same luxurious experience. Okay, I get it. The packaging looks new. Is there anything else new? Well, here's the new, here's the previous. So you can see the color is more vivid. The color is more vibrant. There's new color combinations, right? And while we're on this, how did I come up with this? Like, was Josh just bored and Magali just bored and we were just saying, you know what, let's just change all the bath bombs? No, we ask for consumer feedback. There's 2 points of consumer feedback. You have Amazon consumer feedback and you have non-Amazon consumer feedback, right? So what we do on a micro launch is we have our reviews, and we've talked about this. We look at the 1 to 3 star and we fix. We look at the 4 to 5 and we amplify. So 1 to 3. Colors are bland, could be more vibrant, fragrance not strong enough, whatever it is, we look for those things in the 1 to 3 and we fix and we implement. What is amplify? Really love the 4 premium bath bombs that have botanicals in them. Really just highlights and improves the spa-like experience. Okay, they like that. I'm going to amplify that in my marketing because that is going to make them a return client, or that is something that they liked. Rather, they didn't know about it and they tried it and they liked it, or it compelled them to buy it. So let me review my copy. Is it in my copy? Let me review my infographics. Is it in my infographics? Let me review my advertising. Is it in my advertising, right? And let me make sure that we amplify that. So that's what the amplify looks like. Non-AMZ is going to be friends, family, colleague, and L for locals. Locals, not locals. Don't give them the crazy people. Friends, family, colleagues, and locals. And we're going to give them a product on the house, and we're going to say, I want you to use this and give me a non-biased, full 100% honest feedback on the product and how we could improve it. Don't be biased. Don't hold back. We are begging for constructive criticism. And I let them keep the stuff, but you can give it to them and then take it back, like, and just, it can be a 20-30 second thing where they're just looking at it in person. You want to do as many of these as possible because it does not affect your Amazon review score, and you don't pay Amazon, and it's free unless you give them a product, then you have product cost. Like for my product in the product development stages, I'm showing it to as many people as possible. And matter of fact, like if I took you out to my car, both cars right now, I have those boxes in my cars. Why? Because when I'm talking to somebody, hey, like, do you take baths? Rhetorical question. I would hope that you wash yourself, right? Like, do you take baths? You take showers? Awesome. Take a look at this product and let me know what you think. What do you like about it? What don't you like about it? How could we improve it? 3 questions. Simple. I'm writing them down in my notepads, right? So you want to make sure that you're getting as much as possible. And this is going to give you both ends of the spectrum in terms of product development. So that's where we came up with this. Some of the things that they were complaining about is the colors weren't vibrant enough, right? So we made the colors more vibrant. So if you look right here, this bath bomb right here, people loved this bath bomb, right? They absolutely loved this bath bomb. So what did I like? If you look at that, if you look at this box here, it's like the most colorful bath bomb. They loved it. Every person I asked, what is your favorite bath bomb? Which one, if you could only use one, would you use? It was this one. So what did we do? Obviously we kept it, but then we went and made another one just like it. More vibrant, more colors. This is an ever changing, ever optimizing, ever learning thing. It doesn't have to be perfect on the first time. And you want to make sure that you get that feedback. Here's another hack. If you go into Jungle Scout or Helium 10, into your reviews, you can download your reviews. When you download your reviews, like there'll be like a little arrow thing that says download next to your reviews. If you download your reviews, you can then put them into ChatGPT and tell prompt ChatGPT to then create a table where you organize all the reviews from 1 to 3 star and 4 to 5 star. Once it does that, you can go back and prompt and say, give me the largest sum of average similarities in 1 to 3 star complaints, and then 4 to 5 star praises or things that they enjoyed or liked, and add that to that column. And then you can come back and say, from all the similarities and complaints and praises, what would you do to amplify the things that people like in our marketing? And number 2, what would you do to improve all the things that people disliked? And it will literally give you a list of things that they loved and how to amplify it in your marketing. And then it will give you another list of things that they hate and how to improve it.